Annihilation review demo and $3,897 bonus. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from Art of Marketing blog again, and this is my Annihilation review, a brand new product released by Jamie Lewis and David Kirby. Now, if you know Jamie Lewis, you know that he is always thinking outside of the box. Okay, so he always finds new ways, creates new software that makes you money online. Okay, so this is not something that you've probably seen. I've never seen this before. I've never seen this platform. Obviously the software and the way he makes money is very, again, outside of the box and different. So this means that there's very little competition, and you're actually going to be making hundreds of dollars per sale. Okay, so you're not going after some $5, $10, $20 sales. We're talking $300 plus per sale. I'm going to show you everything there is to know about Annihilation. Let me share my screen and let's jump into this Annihilation review. As you can see, the sales page is still under construction, but it says Annihilation live. Let's scroll down. So again, this is from Jamie Lewis. This whole strategy is all about making multiple $329 commissions. Okay, in a second I'm going to show you why, but this is just something to keep in mind. Even if you're gonna make one sale per day, you know, it will still make you $10,000 per month. And what you're gonna be working with is Mix. Now, I don't know if you know Mix. I actually forgot about it, but this is a social media site. Not a lot of people actually know about it or use it, but it has 2 million visitors. Now, it was previously known as StumbleUpon, and Mix is actually a very great platform for generating traffic for free. Okay, so Jamie just created a software around it and also an offer that you can promote. So scrolling down here, again, $329 per commission is what you're going to be making. Again, Annihilation. This is the name of this new product. Scrolling down here, you know, as always, you can check all of this in your own time. These guys are showing you what's included. Obviously, you're gonna get some bonuses from these guys. You're gonna get my bonuses on top of whatever they are offering. 30 days money back guarantee, so no risk on your part. A little FAQ. Go through all of this in your own time, but right now let me show you the inside of the members area for Annihilation. Okay, so first of all, let me show you all the video training that's included. Okay, so obviously you're getting the software, but also all the video training on how to use the software, how to use the whole system, and how to make money with it. And you actually get a done for you offer that you can promote. Okay, so you don't have to be worried about actually getting approved for an offer. This is all included with Annihilation. Okay, so we have the intro video, business model ideas, Flippa sales. We have why are you broke, so just a little bit of mindset. Flippa sales, money magnet setup tutorial. This is probably the most important video right here. Done for you tutorial, and $18,000 per month. So again, if you really focus on this, because you're making $300 per sale, you can make easily, you know, $10,000 to even $20,000 per month just by making 1 to 2 sales per day. Okay, so Jamie shows you exactly how it's done. These are all the videos, and this is actually how the members area looks like. Okay, so as you can see, first of all, we're gonna sign up for the free traffic source, which is Mix. So if we're gonna click on it, it just opens up Mix. I'm actually using Mix to share my videos, and I forgot about it totally. Okay, so I've been using it without really realizing that this is Mix. Okay, so you can sign up for free. Obviously, this is a free social media platform. Then we have promote custom offers now. Okay, so this is the offer that is done for you. So all you have to go is go to Pay Kickstart and send an affiliate request to the vendor. And as you can see, this offer will be approved for you, and this is the offer that will be making you $329 per sale. Okay, so again, you can promote any offer you want with this, but obviously this offer is amazing because it makes you $300 plus per sale. Okay, and it's guaranteed approval. Next up, we have the squeeze page builder. So let's check it out. This is how it looks like. So obviously you can also build a list off of all of this traffic, and you get a squeeze page builder. So as you can see, this is an example squeeze page. So you can edit all of this. You can add images. You can move things around. You can edit the text. You can add social media buttons. etc. Okay, so just another very cool thing that is included, a squeeze page builder. And then you can also download Guru for higher reseller version, which is something that you can sell as well with all the traffic you're going to be getting from Mix. Okay, so that's essentially it. That's all that is included, and as you can see, for a one-time price of just under 20 bucks, you're getting all of this, which is more than enough for you to start making money using Mix. And again, no one is doing this. People use Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, YouTube, email marketing, all of these different sources. No one is really using Mix, so that's why you can be one of the first ones and maybe become a Mix guru. Who knows, right? So guys, that's the inside of the members area. Again, all the video training is included. Right now, let's go through all of the upsells and the pricing. Okay, so as you can see, Annihilation will be $16.95. Pretty crazy, especially because with just one sale, you're gonna be 20xing the amount of the investment. Okay, so again, as you can see, they say here, Annihilation is an internet marketing program that combines software with incredible teaching strategy. People sell a highly successful agency service as a vendor or as an affiliate. You're gonna get a high ticket offer with your own vendor account, and you're gonna be making instant $329 commissions as an affiliate. So that's included in the main offer, everything that I just showed you. Okay, then we have Annihilation OTO number 1, $33, and this is a massive done for you pack for VIPs. Okay, so essentially, as you can see, it says we do everything for you. So the whole setup, all the campaigns, everything else is done for you, and it's only 33 bucks. Annihilation OTO number 2, this is additional traffic and monetization sources, $39, and as you can see here, you're going to be getting extra resources and access to a license that allows you to use Annihilation as your own personal agency. Okay, so an additional 39 bucks, just additional ways to make money. Audio number 3, we have Annihilation Partner with Jamie, $43, and here you're going to be getting unlimited attendance to all the webinar training with Jamie for life, plus priority service and attention on the webinars. So these webinars have been performed by Jamie weekly. Since 2011, you're getting also all the replays and again, priority service every single week with Jamie. Only 43 bucks, pretty low price. Next up, we have the platinum version of Annihilation, $93, excuse me, and this is something that allows you to ethically jack traffic from the Annihilation sales page by placing your Google Pixel code on the sales page, and from this point on you can just funnel the traffic out with Google Ads, doing retargeting, pennies per click, targeted traffic, and it's very cheap. So that's the platinum version. And Annihilation OTO number 5, we have the diamond version, $39, and this is a reseller license which allows you to sell Annihilation and all of the products in the funnel as your own products and keep 100% of the profits to yourself. Me promoting this as an affiliate, I'm making 50% commissions. You can make 100% commissions on the whole funnel, including the $93 and everything else. So guys, these are the OTOs and upsells are always optional. You'll be fine with the main Annihilation product alone, but maybe if you want the done for you service, or maybe if you want to partner up with Jamie, you can definitely check it out, and it's totally up to you. Now let me show you all of the bonuses to Annihilation. And before I do, let me just mention to you that Annihilation goes live at 10 a.m. Eastern on April 29th. If you will decide to pick it up from my link, I'm going to give you almost $4,000 worth of bonuses. This is a real world value, and you're going to get all of this for free. And to pick up Annihilation through my link, all you have to do is just click on one of these blue links from my blog. And if you're watching on YouTube, the first link in the description will take you to my blog, and the second link in the description will take you directly to the sales page, but only after Annihilation goes live, which is again 10 a.m. Eastern on April 29th. Now, first of all, I'm going to give you 3 custom-made bonuses. These custom-made bonuses are about 3 different traffic sources. So obviously, the more traffic you can generate, the more money you'll make, and these are 3 additional traffic sources, custom-made bonuses. I'm also going to give you 3 exclusive bonuses that Jamie gave to me for my subscribers only. Okay, so you're going to get affiliate shortcut, profit injector, and a case study from Jamie. So 3 exclusive bonuses from Jamie for my subscribers only. I'm also going to give you additional software and W's of the Day awarded products, Affiliate Cash Monster, ClickBank Marketing Secrets, Video Profit Machines, List Building Profit Kit. Obviously, you can use Annihilation to actually set up an agency, or if you're a freelancer, these bonuses will be very helpful because I'm going to give you 3 of my top selling Fiverr courses to show you exactly how to make money on Fiverr as well. So just if you want to make more money with Annihilation. Fiverr Income Secrets, Fiverr Masterclass, Riser, Newbie Traffic Formula, Flip Me, Income Booster, Reseller's License to Flip Me, Urgent Arbitrage Cash, Easy Arbitrage Profits, Blaze, Tube Traffic Avalanche, a case study on free traffic, and a super powerful bundle of plugins and software products, okay? What you're getting is Affiliate Advantage plugin, Giant Plugin Biz, Sales Page Writing Software, Squeeze Page Creator, TrueTags, IIS, Popbox, Sales Bar, Shortcode Call to Action, Authority Traffic Masters, Facebook Live Reaction, AzenPress, Phazon, VidBuilder, PressPlay, Image and Video Commenter, Social Auto Poster, SlickPop, VidBob, Responsive Slider, YouTube Video Gallery, Pinterest Portfolio, PostGrid, PostWidget, WordPress Courses Plugin, Client Extractor, Image Grab, Viral Suite, Action Simulator, Facebook Audience Builder, Instant Publisher, Pinbook, Social Traffic, Traffic Hoover, Facebook Traffic Engine, and Facebook Photo Contest. Now guys, that's a total of 58 bonuses, but I'm not done because as always you're getting my mega bonus, and my mega bonus is a total of 45 plus W's of the Day and Product of the Day awarded courses. My mega bonus loan is worth $1,500, and this means that you're getting a total of $3,897. This is a real world value. These are actual bonuses, either custom made by me or W's of the Day awarded products that are currently selling for anywhere from $10 to $50. Software products, plugins, etc. So if you would like to get all of these bonuses, you would actually have to spend almost $4,000. All of this is for free, again, just for picking up Annihilation through my link. And again, to pick it up through my link, just click on one of these blue links from my blog, or again the second link in the description directly from YouTube. And as always guys, I have a full written review so you can check it out as well. And this will include this Annihilation review sum up. So just to sum up this Annihilation review, you can work from home, it's free traffic, high conversions because this is fully tested for you, beginner friendly, you get the done for you offer that you're going to promote for $300 plus per sale, never done before, okay? So I know some of these softwares out there or products talk about the same exact traffic sources or formulas. This is something completely different, guys. 24 hours, 7 days per week sales on autopilot, and all the video training, which is step by step, is included. What I don't like about Annihilation, the only thing I could think about is that it's an additional traffic source, okay? So if you are already using YouTube and Facebook and Twitter and Pinterest and email, and you have all of these moving parts that you have to focus on every single day, this is just another moving part by adding mix to the mix. It will take a little bit of time, but with that being said, this is an additional traffic source, so we can generate more traffic. This is something no one else is using, so you'll be almost one of the only marketers that actually does this. It's a minus, but it's a plus at the same time because it's just an additional traffic source, but obviously you have to focus on it like with anything else. So guys, again, check out my fully written review right here, and before we go, let me mention to you how to actually get my bonus after you'll decide to pick up Annihilation through my link. All you have to do is go to your purchase history right here on Warrior Plus. So click on your icon in the top right corner with your name, go to purchase history, and then click on Annihilation. And below the button that says click here to access, you should see another button saying bonuses from Art. So you're gonna get my Annihilation bonuses delivered to you automatically, so you don't have to send me emails or receipts. It's all done for you automatically. So again, 10 a.m. Eastern, April 29th is when Annihilation goes live. Make sure to pick it up from my link to get all of these bonuses. I definitely have one of the biggest bonus packages to Annihilation. Leave me a comment if you have any questions, guys. Please like this video on YouTube. Please subscribe to this channel for more review videos just like this one, and I'll be seeing you very shortly in the next review video. Ciao!